When seeking Allen wrench adapters suitable for use with 3/8" and 1/2" drive torque wrenches, several options are available that meet the requirement of being approximately 5 inches in length. Firstly, consider the Tekton socket bit adapter set. This set includes both 3/8" and 1/2" socket bit adapters, making it compatible with different torque wrench sizes. These adapters are designed to be used with a torque wrench, providing a versatile solution. The key feature of the Tekton set is its adaptability, allowing standard Allen bits to be used with torque wrenches. Secondly, there is the Snap-on Tools 3/8" and 1/2" hex key adapter. Snap-on tools are known for their high quality and durability, and these hex key adapters are specifically designed for use with torque wrenches. The approximate 5-inch length ensures that they provide adequate reach for various applications. Choosing Snap-on offers reliability and precision. Thirdly, the Capri Tools 3/8" and 1/2" ball end hex key adapter is another viable option. The ball end design facilitates easier access in tight spaces, a beneficial feature for many mechanical tasks. The approximate 5-inch length aligns with the stated requirement. The ball end design allows for engagement at an angle, improving accessibility. Several other factors should inform the selection process. One important consideration is ensuring the adapter you choose has the correct drive size for your torque wrench. Mismatched drive sizes can lead to inefficiency and potential damage to the tools. Always verify compatibility before purchase. The drive size of the adapter must match the drive size of the torque wrench to ensure proper engagement and accurate torque application. Another consideration is the use of a bit holder extension for increased reach. In scenarios where the fastener is located in a recessed or hard-to-reach area, an extension can provide the necessary clearance. Extensions are available in various lengths, so choose one that suits the specific application. Bit holder extensions offer flexibility and accessibility in challenging situations. For added convenience, look for adapters with magnetic tips to hold the hex key bit securely. A magnetic tip helps prevent the bit from falling out of the adapter, particularly when working in awkward positions. Magnetic tips improve efficiency and reduce the likelihood of lost or dropped bits. Adapters with magnetic tips provide a secure hold on the hex key bit. When using these adapters, it is important to adhere to safety precautions. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves to prevent injuries. Ensure the torque wrench is properly calibrated to achieve accurate torque readings. Regular calibration is essential for maintaining the accuracy of torque measurements. Apply torque smoothly and evenly to avoid damaging the fastener or the tool. Jerky or uneven force can lead to inaccurate torque application and potential damage. Before using any adapter, inspect it for signs of wear or damage. Damaged adapters should be replaced immediately to prevent accidents. Inspect the adapter for cracks, deformation, or other signs of wear. When selecting a set of Allen wrench adapters, consider the materials from which they are made. High-quality steel alloys provide enhanced durability and resistance to wear. Chrome vanadium steel is a common choice for its strength and corrosion resistance. Consider the storage options for the adapters. A well-organized storage case can help prevent loss and damage. Cases with labeled slots make it easy to identify and retrieve the correct size adapter. Proper storage extends the lifespan of the adapters and ensures they are readily available when needed. Consider the range of sizes available in the adapter set. A comprehensive set will include a variety of sizes to accommodate different fastener types. Ensure the set includes the specific sizes required for your applications. A wider range of sizes offers greater versatility and adaptability. Consider the type of finish on the adapters. A corrosion-resistant finish, such as black oxide or chrome plating, can protect against rust and corrosion. This is especially important in environments with high humidity or exposure to chemicals. A durable finish extends the life of the adapters. Review customer feedback and ratings before making a purchase. Customer reviews can provide valuable insights into the performance and reliability of the adapters. Look for products with consistently positive reviews. Customer feedback offers a real-world perspective on the product's strengths and weaknesses. Before using the adapters, clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. A clean adapter will provide a more secure and reliable connection. Clean adapters improve accuracy and reduce the risk of slippage. Avoid using excessive force when tightening or loosening fasteners. Over-tightening can damage the fastener or the tool. Use a torque wrench to ensure that fasteners are tightened to the correct specification. Using a torque wrench prevents over-tightening and ensures proper clamping force. When working with electrical equipment, always disconnect the power supply before starting any work. This will prevent electrical shock and ensure safety. Disconnecting the power supply is a critical safety precaution. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using the adapters. Incorrect use can damage the tool or the fastener. Adhering to the manufacturer's instructions ensures proper and safe operation. Store the adapters in a dry place to prevent rust and corrosion. Exposure to moisture can accelerate corrosion and reduce the lifespan of the adapters. Proper storage protects against environmental damage. Regularly lubricate the adapters to prevent rust and corrosion. A light coat of oil will help protect the metal surfaces. Lubrication maintains smooth operation and prevents seizing. Avoid using the adapters for purposes for which they are not designed. Misusing the adapters can damage the tool or the fastener. Using the adapters for their intended purpose ensures safety and effectiveness. When working with fasteners that are difficult to loosen, use a penetrating oil to help break them free. Penetrating oil can reduce friction and make it easier to remove stubborn fasteners. Penetrating oil aids in loosening corroded or seized fasteners. Consider the weight of the adapters. Lighter adapters may be easier to handle, especially when working in tight spaces. However, heavier adapters may be more durable. Choose a weight that balances comfort and durability. The weight of the adapters can affect user fatigue and maneuverability. Check the threads of the adapters regularly for damage. Damaged threads can compromise the connection and lead to inaccurate torque readings. Damaged threads should be repaired or replaced immediately. Thread integrity is critical for proper engagement and torque transfer. Consider the overall length of the adapters. Longer adapters may provide better reach, but they may also be more difficult to handle in tight spaces. Choose a length that suits the specific application. The length of the adapters affects accessibility and maneuverability. Always use the correct size adapter for the fastener. Using the wrong size adapter can damage the fastener or the tool. Using the correct size adapter ensures proper engagement and prevents damage. Avoid using the adapters in environments with explosive gases or vapors. This can create a fire or explosion hazard. Use non-sparking tools in hazardous environments. Sparking tools can ignite flammable substances. Regularly inspect the torque wrench for damage. A damaged torque wrench can provide inaccurate torque readings. Damaged torque wrenches should be repaired or replaced immediately. Maintaining the torque wrench is essential for accuracy and safety. Consider the grip of the adapters. A comfortable grip can reduce fatigue and improve control. Adapters with ergonomic grips are easier to handle. A comfortable grip enhances user experience and reduces strain. When working with fasteners that require high torque, use a torque multiplier. A torque multiplier can increase the torque output of the torque wrench. Torque multipliers are useful for tightening large or stubborn fasteners. Always use a backup wrench to hold the fastener in place when tightening or loosening it. This will prevent the fastener from turning and damaging the surrounding components. Using a backup wrench prevents rotation and protects against damage. Consider the cost of the adapters. High-priced adapters may be more durable, but they may not be necessary for all applications. Choose adapters that balance cost and performance. Value is determined by balancing cost and quality. Before using the adapters, ensure that the fastener is clean and free of debris. A clean fastener will provide a more secure and reliable connection. Clean fasteners improve accuracy and reduce the risk of slippage. Consider the type of fastener being used. Different types of fasteners require different types of adapters. Ensure that the adapter is compatible with the fastener type. Fastener compatibility ensures proper engagement and prevents damage. When working with fasteners that are made of soft materials, use a torque limiter. A torque limiter can prevent over-tightening and damage to the fastener. Torque limiters are useful for tightening fasteners made of aluminum or plastic. Always use a lubricant on the threads of the fastener before tightening it. This will reduce friction and ensure accurate torque readings. Lubrication reduces friction and ensures proper clamping force. Consider the size of the work area. In tight spaces, smaller adapters may be easier to handle. Choose adapters that are appropriate for the size of the work area. The size of the work area affects accessibility and maneuverability. Before using the adapters, ensure that the torque wrench is set to the correct torque value. Using the wrong torque value can damage the fastener or the tool. Setting the torque wrench to the correct value is essential for accuracy and safety. Consider the frequency of use. If the adapters will be used frequently, choose a more durable option. Adapters that are used frequently are subject to more wear and tear. Durability is particularly important for tools used regularly. When working with fasteners that are exposed to corrosive environments, use adapters that are made of corrosion-resistant materials. This will help to prevent rust and corrosion. Corrosion-resistant materials extend the life of the adapters in harsh environments. Always use a safety tether when working at heights. This will prevent the adapters from falling and causing injury. Safety tethers prevent tools from falling and causing accidents. Consider the type of work being performed. Different types of work require different types of adapters. Choose adapters that are appropriate for the type of work being performed. Selecting the correct tool for the task ensures efficiency and safety. Before using the adapters, ensure that they are properly seated in the torque wrench. A loose adapter can slip and cause injury. Properly seating the adapters ensures a secure connection and prevents slippage. Consider the storage space available. Larger adapter sets may require more storage space. Choose an adapter set that is appropriate for the available storage space. Efficient storage keeps the adapters organized and accessible.